Have you ever dreamed of training your own AI model but felt overwhelmed by the coding aspect? Well, in 2025, you don't need to be a programmer to make this dream a reality. With intuitive tools, anyone can create and train powerful AI models without any coding experience. Whether you're a content creator, entrepreneur, student, or simply AI curious, this guide is for you. Custom-trained AI models are revolutionizing various fields, from writing and image generation to customer support and business automation. Imagine having an AI that understands your brand tone better than any generic model, or a chatbot that knows your business inside out. Training your own model offers precision, personalization, and a competitive edge. And the best part? It's now easier than ever to get started. You won't need Python or a computer science degree to train AI models. Several platforms allow you to do this without writing a single line of code. Google Teachable Machine is perfect for beginners working with images, sounds, or poses. Lobe by Microsoft offers a visual interface for image classification. Pelterian provides a drag-and-drop AI model builder for businesses. Microsoft Azure ML Designer offers enterprise-grade, no-code pipelines. ChatGPT Custom GPTs allow fine-tuning for text-based applications, while Runway ML is a powerful visual platform for creators. Let's take Google Teachable Machine as an example. It's incredibly easy to get started. First, visit teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. Choose the type of model you want to create: image, audio, or pose. Upload your training data or record directly. Label your categories, then click Train Model. Finally, export it to your app, website, or even devices like Raspberry Pi. No code, no complex setup, and you've just trained your own AI. Wondering where this can help in real life? Content creators can train models to recognize video thumbnails for automated sorting. Teachers can build custom AI for grading or feedback based on their rubric. Small businesses can automate customer support with chatbots trained on their FAQs. Artists can use Runway ML to train AI that generates visuals in their unique art style. Entrepreneurs can fine-tune GPTs to write marketing content in their tone. AI is no longer a distant tool, it's a productivity partner. Even though you don't need code, there are a few things you'll need. A clear use case is essential. Know what problem your model will solve. Good data is crucial. The better your input, the better your AI. Structured training materials should be grouped, labeled, and organized. You'll also need time to test and retrain, as iteration is key for the best results. Remember, AI models are only as smart as the data you feed them. Want to train a text-based assistant that knows your business inside out? Use the custom GPT feature inside ChatGPT. Start by going to Explore GPTs in ChatGPT. Click Create, and then Walk Me Through. Add instructions and upload files like manuals, product lists, or tone guides. Test the output and refine it. You now have your own branded assistant, which you can even sell as a digital product. In 2025, you don't need to learn code to build smart, custom AI. All you need is a clear problem to solve, the right tool, and the curiosity to explore. Whether you're building your first chatbot, training a creative assistant, or automating workflows, now is the perfect time to experiment. Don't wait for the right time. Start today, and you'll look back a year from now and wonder why you didn't do it sooner.